Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Animoji and Memoji on iPhone. Animoji or Memoji stickers let you express yourself using an existing character or a custom-made character that looks like you, using classic emoji like poses and faces, such as heart eyes, brain exploding, shushing face, laughing with tears, crying, shrugging, face palm, and more. To learn how to use them when sending messages, first launch to the Message app on your iPhone or iPad. Second, tap the new message icon in the top right of the screen, or select an existing message thread that you want to use on Send an Animoji or Memoji sticker. If you're sending a new message, enter a contact in the To field. If you don't see the apps row above the keyboard, tap the App Store icon beside the message field, which appears at the top of the on-screen keyboard. Tap the icon consisting of a Memoji face surrounded by hearts. You'll see a horizontally scrolling list of faces including an emoji and any Memoji you've created. Tap a face to access a selection of predefined stickers. Select one to send as a message. Add a comment if desired and then tap the send button. Alternately, tap the ellipsis, three dots icon to create a new Memoji or edit an existing one. Tap New Memoji if this is your first. From here, you can create your lookalike in digital form by choosing from a gallery of facial features and characteristics. When you're happy with your Memoji, tap Done in the top right corner of the screen. Choose a pose from your newly generated Memoji sticker gallery to send as a message. Add a comment if desired and then tap the send button. Note that Memoji and Animoji stickers are accessible not only in the Message app, but also in other places like Mail and Notes through the emoji icon on the iOS virtual keyboard. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.